Oh, hello everybody. Hello. We're here. Welcome. Welcome. Started out a little bit earlier. I wanted to see how the open is gonna go. Good to see everybody. Oh, I forgot to send the applause here. Anyway. Welcome. Finally. So look at that. Look at the levels. We went down to that 410. So we went down to 410, and it does seem like that we're going for that 558 relative equal highs up there. What a reversal on this area down there. Quite interesting. So anyway, we have 3 minutes until the open. 3 more minutes. And I must say, the London session earlier, well, that was a really big pain in the butt. Like, look at this, slowly grinding down, and it's just amazing how that 410 reversed the whole price action. So the 558 is basically this area that we're talking about, and if we go to the 4-hour time frame, well, I don't see any other level of liquidity that we could go for. I mean, maybe on the daily. Actually, I'm going to check the daily once more. I'm going to check the daily levels here. There is a buy side liquidity on this fair value gap. Right there at 660. Gökalp, hello. Okay. So it's not that far. But I'm going to be looking for 558 just in case if we see a displacement. 500 is not really showing anything special anyways. Still have some time. Hey, Anya, thank you so much. Well, it's going to be interesting for sure. And I wish good luck to you too and everybody in the trades. We have 30 seconds until market open. I am really interested if this one wants to go higher. There's a flat candle at 512. I think it wants to go for it. It's very close. Seemed to me at least it just wants to go through it. Anyway, 5 more seconds. And let's see how it goes. Here we go. Market is open for business. What's it gonna be? Is it gonna take out that flat candle up there? It did. Okay. It did take out that candle. So exactly the pop that we were anticipating. Okay, picked up liquidity on the on the 5 minute. Now the question remains, are we gonna go back down and sweep this area? This is a New York kill zone low, and the Asia high is irrelevant now. Okay, so far that's it. Natasha, hello. Got to your office? Nice, in 5 minutes. Thank you, Anya. Well, I mean, I try to be as casual as possible, you know. I don't want to overcomplicate anything, so I'm just gonna be like the same way I do here on the stream. Nothing special. Nothing special. I mean, I tried to do that. Elsie, hello, good morning. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to pick a trade. I mean, I want to, but I don't want to force anything, you know. I'm gonna be doing the 11:30 a.m. Session, so going into the lunch hour, I'm usually not taking trades at those sessions, but we'll see. I'm gonna be definitely looking for a 558 this morning. Hey Albert, good morning. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. We're seeing a bit of a sideways action. That's all we have. I'm looking for a structure shift, displacement above 521. I might gonna jump into a trade there. I really don't want to force anything. Looks like no displacement yet. Okay. Okay, we can live with that. There's a flat candle at 33, I guess. Yeah, 33.50. Exactly on the mini. And the same up there. I'm gonna be looking for that level for scalps, but I don't know. Would be great to see that level being taken. Enter to a small long position. Only be 2 micros. Actually, here it is. I have to put a stop here. I might even add to it. Looking for that 33 up there. That is it. Because I just want to see it go to 558.50. I'm not sure what's the level on the mini. 558.50. Okay. All right, let's just get that candle. We should be getting that. Yeah, 33. Let's see how it goes. I might even close it down if it goes lower. I don't want to be in a bad situation. But anyway. Oh, 484. Huh. Let's see. I don't like this move. I might even gonna close it, even with a small loss. It doesn't really want to go anywhere. I thought that it wants to sweep that high, but it's just not doing it. So why hold the trade here? Unnecessary. Yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, I closed it. I don't like it. It can still go there, but just wanted to make sure. Okay, okay, nice. 2 minutes. Oh. Well, I wish you all the good luck in work. Oh man, should have held it. Anyway, no problem. Let's look for that pop above this level 558, and there's no fair value gap that I can use. Nothing on the 1 and the 3 minute. If this candle would close like this, leaving this gap open down there, then I would go into the proper position, but I don't think it's gonna go down there. Oh, different building. No, that's not far then. Okay, still looking for that relative equal highs at 558, and there's no sign of proper pullback into this zone. So 511 would be something that I really like to look for, but because maybe I would jump in with like 2 or 3 fundeds as copy trading, but I mean with copy trader, but with this situation here, it's a bit of a question mark. If it's not going to pull back, then it's just going to go straight through 58. Let's check that swing high on the mini. What's the level on the mini? I think it could be the same. 58.50. Okay, so I guess it's the same, yeah. Look at that. 58, here we go. Did we go up there? I guess we did. How far did... Okay, the mini did. Okay, then. Alright. The micro won't tick lower, but I think it's gonna take it now. No? 58.25. Okay, we have it. We have it on the micro. We have it on the mini. And this is it. Next level, 660. 660. No pullback. If we close above this and leave this gap open, and I think this is going to be the first fair value gap since the open, and we just have to watch price action around this level because we can go for that 660 up there. Dave, what's up? Sorry, I think there will be an NVIDIA. Yeah, there will be a report. Earning, yeah, there will be. I'm not sure, but I can check it for you. Actually, I wanted to check it myself as well. Just a second. Earning Whispers has it, I think. for this week. All right. So Wednesday, before the open, after close, Nvidia, yes. After close, we're gonna have Nvidia today. And what else? Nvidia, the biggest one. And tomorrow, well, all these others. Okay, so we have the Nvidia after close. Let's see how it goes. Kind of interesting. Kind of an interesting. Nothing special so far. Picking up liquidity. Let's just put a gap here. Let's put this right here. I'm gonna change the color. No, that's too much. Okay. Rejected from the middle of the first fair value gap. All right. MB Trader, good morning. The first presented fair value gap, in my opinion, is this one. This here, 939. I would go with this, 939. So actually, I just want to see if we can stay above the 558 level, because then I might, maybe I can actually jump into a trade now as well. I might do that. Okay, getting below the midpoint there. I mean, on the sell side, I don't see proper targets. There is no order block that I like. We do have a liquidity level here on the 5-minute. Nothing specific on the 15-minute. Oh man, we actually have an order block. Oh, that is unexpected. So if this one will be a sell-off, okay, never mind. We can go down to 422. Is it possible? Definitely have to look over this. We shifted down, but it's not a proper shift. No displacement, just a wick down. No, it's the weak one. If we can trade above this gap, then obviously we were talking about 660. So that's where we want to go. I can't use this shift. No, there's nothing here. Richard, hello. Where can I buy the 50K account with $50 apart from TopStep? $50 apart from TopStep. Oh, you can buy accounts at Bulenox, Apex right now, and of course for $75 with FUNDEDFutures network as well, you get two accounts, two 50K accounts for $75. Just saying. Look at that, 422. Are we really going down there? So those are the ones. And maybe TRADEIFY, I think. 422.25. Okay, I'm gonna modify this properly. Okay. Wow, look at that. Wow, what is happening here, man? Okay. I think it wants to get back into this gap that we were talking about at 11. Wow. Isn't this something? There is an order block here at 510. Open up this candle, 509.75. I think it wants to go there. So get ready. Get ready. Might be picking up liquidity from this gap above. Richard is going short. All right. I think I'm scalping it myself as well. And I just did. We went down to the order block. Interesting. Wow. And no retracement to the gap up there. Just pushing through this one. Okay. Okay. I guess the show is by far not over. 745. No, sorry, not 740, 784. 784. What I don't know, what was I looking? Possible sales. I can't chase this, man. I don't want to. I don't want to. Wow. Maybe the target is 422. Interesting. Long position with fair value gap. No, I can't do it right now. The candles are printing in a bearish way so strong that I would be careful to go long right now. Trading tour. Zacromancer shorted 545. How did you get that up there? Nice. 580. No. Okay, anyway. Let's look at the 480 level. Good for 10 points if anybody wants to go for it. It's good for 10 points. Too late. I guess the low was right here. Okay, it's been taken. 79, it's been taken. And now comes the waiting game again. I was a little bit too late. Oh, sorry. I was a little bit too late on this. It's a good thing I did not jump into a long position right there. That could have been a bad situation if I just jump into that long. Still going down, guys. I don't want to jinx it, but it seems like 422 could be the one. That area down there at 410. What is going on? Is there some news hitting the market? I have to refresh this. I mean, not that it's a big drop here, but 5 minutes sure made a bearish breaker. That's for sure. Nice displacement, taking out liquidity. Oh man. Okay. Mid-level up there in the 500s. Gotta wait. Hawk, good morning. What's good with Bulenox? With new live account, any news? Bulenox? No, I don't know anybody who's trading live account with Bulenox, Hawk. So, and I really don't know anyone currently who is trading a live account there. Maybe they have now a new path to live thing, but we're not aware of that. Okay, first gap here. Could be at 506. Do we want to go there? Do I want to take a short on that one and target that order block? 1 to 2 risk to reward. Why not? Placing a limit sell order at 505.50. Small position. We'll see how it goes. FOMC minute in 15 minutes. No. No, it should not. FOMC is going to be later. The report release. What's the drawing tool? This is TradingView. That's what I use, and you know, I have all kind of stuff that I can draw built into TradingView. I mean, this one is called short position. I mean, let me show you. Here it is. This one is called short position. So I just put it here. I can calculate the risk to reward, and also I can calculate the risk. You can actually, you know, it makes it easier for you to calculate. Like if I want to risk $100, it says 1.19 micro. Obviously, I cannot do that, but you know, short tool, long. I mean, short position, long position. Built in. Super simple. Troy, hey. Oh, you were asking that. This one was beautiful. Well, I my order has not been picked up, and with not much, my order has been left in the dust. Look at this. It's still there. Has not been picked up, unfortunately. So, not much to do with it. Oh. Nice. So, no retracement so far, but we have the 5-minute fair value gap up there. So, I mean, this one. This is the 1 minute. Sell 15 points. Nice. If you caught that, it's nice. Philcos, hello. Let's go. Going right now. Oh, nice. Cool. Awesome, awesome. Mr. Nice Guy. Thanks. Cheesecake. That's the best for trading. Man, I would love to have a cheesecake for trading. Actually, that would be awesome. Jesus, what are these messages? Okay. I have to turn down these notifications. It's too loud. Big shout out to Hungary. Thanks, Wilkos. Thank you so much, man. Oh, look at this. It's just going down. No stopping at this. I feel like that the drawn liquidity would be at 422 now. I don't want to feel the FOMO. Not exactly, Wilkos. Not exactly. You know. Oh, wow. Look at this. Are we melting down here? What is going on? I'm deleting my limit order here. Jesus. We are going down, man. All right. No problem. No problem. What can we do? How far can we go? Enter the short position only on one account, just to see how it goes. If it starts to go back up there, I'm just gonna close it real quick. Yeah, very tempting, Francis. Absolutely, it's very, very tempting. And the more I look at it, the more I think that that 423 area could be interesting. If this one is really going to be a meltdown, I mean, as far as we can tell, this is London low down there, 407. But we'll see. So I entered this trade. Oh, not on this one. Where is it? This one. And so I'm looking for that order block down there. But it seems like I might just gonna have to rethink the whole strategy. The 5 minute is definitely a breaker. My only concern is that I think we're gonna pick liquidity above the 500s. So not a big deal, but I thought, hold on a second. That it's gonna be actually easier. No, it's not gonna be easy. What's the level there? 504. Going back up there. I might close this. Let's give it one more chance. Are we going down for 422 or not? If not, then 504 could be the one. Yeah. Don't feel the FOMO. Just forget about it. I feel like it wants to go back. What's the high here? Yeah, 506, man. It's just it's too easy. I'm thinking about closing this. Kind of interesting. I mean, was this first move here, was this the manipulation phase and now are we distributing lower? That's the question. Yo, Green, what's up? Hello. What's going on? Looks like a bit of a bearish flag thingy. And I still like the order block down there at 422. But man, oh man. Actually, let me get this off here. It's irrelevant now. And this one is irrelevant now. So let's just wait. Took the trade and back to break even. Nice, Green. Break even is actually winning. Winning. You went into the market and came out break even, protecting the capital investment. No, actually, it's that's awesome, man. That's good. Well, I have to rethink like 10 times what to do with this trade. I might close it. I might gonna close it. Barcoding now, going sideways. Definitely, it still looks like a bearish flag, but I do have a bad feeling that it wants to pick liquidity at 504. So, you know, gotta be careful. $485. VWAP, we're still below. Yeah, something like that. Something like that, Troy. Exactly. That's a good one. I like that. Dun, 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 dun. That's a good one, yeah. That is a good one. Price is congested into this area. Anything can happen from now on. It's a coin toss at this point, so I'm stuck in this trade. Ready to do what's necessary if I have to cut it, you know. But so far, so good. Looking for the order block. Okay. Back to the middle. It's just not happening. Or a car accident. We're never involved in, yeah. Do we drink Irish coffee? Well, I like to drink an Irish coffee. You know what? Have one on me as well. All right. Drink a double. Double down on it. And have one on me too. Look at this coffee mug. I just picked it up randomly from the kitchen. It says Worcester. It has a nice castle on it. I don't know if you can see it. Worcester. Double one. Nice. Double it. With a Spicer Chaser, you know. You know how it's done. Oh man, this is gonna be, it's not looking good, man. We're going back to the 500s, it seems like. All these wicks down there. Oh man, I don't like that. Seems like a rejection. Seems like it wants more liquidity. And the nearest area is up there at 504. I might be cutting this. What's it gonna be, man? So there's no macro right now, in my opinion. We're in the silver bullet tower, should be heading to somewhere. I do like the target still at 422. I like that order block. That's a demand zone anyway. But I have the bad feeling that it wants to pick liquidity from above 504. If we could trade below 460, then there's a chance for this trade to be a good one, you know. But I'm stuck here. I would love to see us go below 460. Just go below. That's all you need to do. Come on, NQ. Don't let me down. Not today, man. No, NQ says, no. I'm not gonna. Okay. So anyway, while Price is doing the barcode thing, what can we do? If this is not gonna go anywhere until after 11, we might have to get ready for lunch hour, and maybe lunch hour is gonna be the one that's gonna sweep those lows. Price is just congested into the zone. Okay. I have a feeling that NQ wants to play dirty on this. As I said, I'm looking for the order block. If I go to the 15-minute chart, I still like that 660 because that's a daily fair value gap up there. Let's just make it clear. That's a daily fair value gap. Okay. All right, let's go, NQ. Come on, don't let me down. Don't let me down, NQ. Come on, but have to go down to the order block. We traded below 460. There's no reason for you to go back up there. Just check out that order block. How juicy it is down there. You have to check it out. Sometimes it helps. Before you think I'm crazy, I am, but sometimes it does help. Ludafish Savage, hello. Yeah. Yeah. For scalping, it could be a good one. But now I'm just confused. No idea why it's going back into this area. I'm starting to give up hope. We're back to square one. No, actually, you have to be patient. Whatever happens, you have to make peace with the outcome. You know, just like Mark Douglas said, you have to make peace with this. Man, we're back to square one. I don't know. I don't know. Why is this happening, man? Super choppy. You have a tick counting type chart, but it was very low liquidity. I was watching tick charts a few months ago. Like, I'm not saying it's bad. Maybe I should learn more about tick charts. But yeah, that could have helped me to filter out the slow days or choppy sessions. Yeah. Green. It's definitely super choppy. I just don't know what is. I don't know. I don't know what's the point of this. First area of liquidity is up there at 504.75 is possible buy side liquidity on the 5-minute. I really don't want to see it go up there, but you know, it seems like it might gonna happen. Yep, it seems like it might gonna happen. We have a new 15-minute candle, which also has a level of liquidity above 86. Maybe the best idea would be to close it, but then again, I don't want to feel the FOMO if it goes down. I do like that order block at 422. I'm going to keep saying that. I'm going to keep repeating myself. Maybe it's going to come true. Who knows? Galdrogan, hello. Hey, thank you. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yeah, that could be interesting, Ludafish. Time charts versus tick charts. Yeah. MRI versus X-ray, yeah. Yes, I made one withdrawal from DayTraders, $2,000. Yeah, I mean they were actually very good, no issue. I have another. I mean that account, unfortunately, that was my first funded account. Unfortunately, that's blown up. So I'm working on another evaluation right now at DayTraders. I only need like a $500 something to get the funded account. But yeah, there were no issue. Yeah, come on, NQ. Don't do this with us. It's very weird. Very, very weird. I guess it's just not doing it. I was hoping for a miracle. It's just not doing it. Let me check again. Gold is interesting as well, but not really my type of trade there. I have a feeling that it might gonna sweep liquidity above like 490s or higher. I don't like it. How many micro? Well, it depends on the stop loss and how much I want to risk. Usually, I mean, in this trade, particularly, I'm with 5 micros, but I'm usually anywhere between 1 to 10, 1 to 8, I'd say. Depending on how far is my stop, how much I want to risk, you know. But so far, like most of my payments came out from those accounts where I was trading micros, and anyway, it was a way to do things. This is just, again, watching paint dry. Yeah, I don't like this either, Natasha. See you later. I'm starting in about 1 hour and 10 minutes. Hopefully, there will be no technical issue with the streaming software. I'm not really familiar with StreamYard, but I'll try my best. Nice. All right. Thanks. Guys, I am really tempted to close down this trade. It's just not, I don't have a good feeling about this. Feels like it wants to go up there to the 500s, pick up more liquidity. But again, I don't want to trade it in for a FOMO. What I can do actually is take a partial here. You know, let's just take a partial. Let's make peace with the whole situation. All right. Let's take that. If it goes down to 51.75, I'm going to take that partial. We're going to make peace. And we'll see how it goes from there, right? So let's see. All right, partial has been taken. All right. Partial has been taken. putting this to break even, and that's it. Let's go for the order block. Now it's a free trade. It's a much better feeling if you have a free trade going on. We are printing money. Yeah. We can't lose anything on this one. Yeah, it was just a small profit, I know. But hey, if this one goes to the order block without taking me out, well, who knows? Maybe we can get rich. Win ratio. No. 50% of the time works every time. That's what I say. 50% of the time. Look at that. I'm not gonna chase it if it goes up there. I'm not. I don't want to. But needless to say, the 422, I still like it. It's gonna take me out. I don't know how I'm still in this. But yeah, could have expected this move, I guess. But it's house money right now, so. I guess you can lose max 60 if you're up to it. No, that's not like that, Hawk. You're misunderstanding the rule. That's not like that. You can lose, so for example, on a 50K account, you can lose as much as you want. That's a soft violation. And you can actually go down to $750 in one trade. So, and you know, that's it. Look at that, it's gonna go higher. So you can go down until you're not reaching the safety net. You can use up 30% of your safety threshold. So $750 for a trade. And I guess, I mean, we don't want to be in a trade on a 50K account for $750 of loss, I think. I don't know. Look at this, man. It's just going to pop up there. That's why it's a good idea we took a partial. Wait for the next setup, you know. All right. We're off from this trade. Okay. Now, the thing is, I think it wants to, we made a structure shift on the 1 minute. Next liquidity is 504. No, we didn't. Okay, no structure shift. My mistake. Apology. No structure shift. Not even on the mini. There's a gap below. So never mind. But I think we can go up there to 504 to pick up that liquidity from this gap. We'll see. What is going on? You can lose 740. Yeah, exactly. I mean, well, if you go down 2600 or 2500, then obviously you lose the account. But if you lose $750 on one particular trade, nothing is wrong with that. So that's actually nothing wrong with that. you can just enter a trade again if you want. So it's up to you how much. If you're married to the idea, you can enter as many times you want until you're reaching your $2,500 maximum loss limit, right? It's up to you. So you can go. And by the way, another thing, if you push your account up to like $4,000, then your soft breach limit is 30% of $4,000, which is $1,200, right? So you can lose up to $1,200 on one single trade. So, but you know, you have to ask yourself, do you really want to lose $1,200 on one trade? You know, so there's nothing difficult in that. I mean, I get it because a lot of people misunderstood the rules, but yeah. What a day. Man, it's still gonna give me the FOMO. It's just gonna go down to 422. Look at that. Boom. I'm just gonna lose my head. Maybe not. 470 down to 446. Yeah. This is and Q is a heartbreaker. Definitely. Break-in is also a win. Exactly. Exactly, Gokal. How many funded? You can have up to 3 funded accounts. 3 funded accounts plus when you go to live account, right? Now the only question which I'm still not familiar with, but I think you can keep those accounts. So once you get moved to a live account, you can still keep your simulated funded accounts. So that makes it overall 4 accounts that you can have. 1 live and 3 simulated accounts, to my best knowledge. Oh man, I have to be good with these rules. Okay. Still sideways. I guess not much to do with this. At least we will know that we might gonna have a better price action, maybe lunch hour or PM session. Lunch hour or PM session could be good. 5-minute distance since open is heavily overlapping with 233 tick chart. Look at how ugly this is. Look at the 5-minute actually. It's just so bad. But I'm gonna still stand by my analysis. I'm saying I think we go down to 422. It's just a question of time. I think we should. I think we should. So far, that's all we know. Man. Look at that. The FOMO. The FOMO. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. This is gonna be wild. Not the kind of price action I was hoping. I still stand by 422. Whatever happens, I'm gonna stand by that. Well, except if it goes up. But that's very nasty, PA. Yeah, very. Malo, hey, just waking up. Good morning, Malo. I'm guessing had a long night, right? Welcome. Good to see you there. Hasn't really been touched since, yeah, that's what I was looking at. I mean, it was kind of interesting, situation there, that we haven't really, I mean, price wasn't really reacting to that. Like it wasn't even there. And that's why it was a little bit weird to see how we just got. I mean, first we had an initial reaction like bouncing from the midpoint there, and then we just went through. I guess the only thing we can expect now is just to go down. 422, man, and I'm not on the train. I'm out with break even. Oh man, the FOMO. Look at this. The FOMO. So my TP was 25, by the way, not 22. My TP was, original TP was 25.75, I think. 25.75. Just to make sure. Okay. Okay, there's one thing we can do, and that is actually, and that is just sit on our hands and try to make peace with this, with the fact that we're not sitting on the train. Actually, I'm not sitting on the train to 422. Kind of a bummer. Well, what can we do? Even that yeah, 47 candle, yeah. Yeah, that was so weird. 47, yeah. I was really thinking like, man, it should, and it didn't. Yeah, I was thinking the same way, like, okay, if we're just inverting this gap, like we should be reaching out for this area and then go down. It just didn't. Non-stop. And then I think there was something that triggered my entry. Just not sure which time frame was it. I don't know. I entered somewhere here. And then it came back to me for break even, and now look at this. Yet, yes, that's true. Yet it did not. I mean, this one still has a healthy like 17, 18 points in this trade, including spread, or you know, can still go. You can still take it with a 1-to-1 risk to reward. I would be feeling bad if I would be jumping in here, even with a 1-to-1, and being taken out for the second time after I've been out with a break even with a small profit too. So I just don't want to be in that. I don't want to be in that trade. Gold is not doing anything. Sideways movement. It seems like a structure shift here. Is it a bull trap? Because if it really wants to go back up there, now we picked up liquidity from this 15-minute gap. There's one more down there, a small one, by the way. A small gap. Let's check it out on the 15-minute. That's why I like this. Boom. And what else? There's not much to pick up here. The next level is at 504. And we don't have anything in this area. Maybe I should just jump into a trade. Who cares, right? Who cares? I'm just gonna jump in. I don't care anymore. Man, look at this. It's now going. I had to say it. For that level 425 maybe. Okay, here comes the question. Is it going to turn around and look for that 504 or not? 418, 407. Yeah, those are juicy ones. Those are good ones. All right, I switched to another account and jumped into a small one-to-one trade. Where is it? I don't even know. I don't know which account it is. Oh, this is the one. So just a small trade, risking about 200 maximum. Maybe less. Try to go for 25 if we can. Yeah, let it go for the 200 points drop. 425 is what I'm looking for. It's just a one-to-one trade. It's gonna be fine. I'm okay with it. Permit readers, you can pretend I meant to say we have harvest. Ah, I see. Just a second. I have to pick up the phone. All right. It was just a quick phone call. We're still in the trade. Yeah, this market is like really, really challenging. It's really challenging. I think I'm just going to give up this position before I go crazy. I was really in love with that level down there. Now I just don't like it. I feel like this sideways action is just really not the one that I'm looking for. Okay. I think we can officially say that this AM session so far is a little bit garbage. All right. So we're really not missing anything. Yeah, Dave. I mean, you and me both. ATR dropping for, oh my god, to 17. Okay. It's officially dead. Oh, really? Okay. So if the market is really following Nvidia so much today, oh yeah, everybody's eyeballing Nvidia. It could be, yeah, we could be seeing a possible run to the upside then. Okay. Okay. Yeah, 1050 macro, let's see. Let's see that macro happening. I'm still in the trade on a different account. Let's just go down to 25 and call it there, right? It will be just fine. Oh man. Okay. Well, maybe this was the macro. Who knows? Okay. No problem. No problem. No problemo. Hasta luego. 4. Yeah, I think the 25 is a good target because of this 15-minute gap here. Hey, Roll, what's up? Roll, sorry. You passed 4 Apex accounts. Hey, congratulations, man. Awesome. Chickened out. 558. Oh. Oh, don't be hard on yourself with the fish. It's part of the game. You know, it's just part of the game. previous sessions first? No, I don't. No, I know some people are using it. I am aware of it, that it's very popular. I only use it when it has not been mitigated, or has not, when price just moved away from it and never got really used, then I think it could be a good target on the next day. So for example, I didn't even know where it was yesterday. Where was it? 9:30. First level you get is here, right? On Tuesday. That one. So yeah, so this one has already been rebalanced, as ICT would say. So this is rebalanced, and that's why I'm not really interested. And it's way down there, which could also be a good one, but anyway, it has been rebalanced. If it has not been repriced or rebalanced, I mean, not even with the wick, then then it's a good price target. Maybe the next day or any other day during the week or next week, who knows? Those levels, well, I would say that's much more stronger than the one that already been repriced or rebalanced. Oh wow, well, this trade is going in the wrong direction for me. No big deal. That 425 is a real nasty one. I still think it will go down sooner or later, maybe without me, maybe. But I just feel it in my bum. Oh, okay, anyway, I feel it. Man, we're all feeling it. Placed another limit. Careful there. This one can bounce any moment, like 100 points. In 3 seconds, it can bounce at least 50. Any moment. But I do like that juicy order block down there. It's so good looking down there. I love it. Actually, I'm gonna connect these orders. All right. So I just like it. Yeah. The car is fantastic, Jonathan. I love driving the BMW. I don't care that it's 2009. I don't care that it's an older generation. It's just awesome. I love it. Feels good, very comfortable. You've got that BMW feeling with it. And I'm not a fast driver, by the way. I'm like I had that time when I was 20-something years old. I was crazy, but no, I mean I'm taking it slowly, nicely, like a gentleman, and I enjoy driving that. Actually, I'm gonna bring it to the next oil change. I mean, I'm gonna next week, I think, just to make sure. I've driven 10,000 kilometers since I've got it. So we've been down to Croatia. We've been all around the country. So I was really driving it since I got it. So 10,000 kilometers. I want to change the oil just to make sure. Yeah, NVIDIA earnings after market close. Yeah, got to be ready for that. I'm kind of curious how the 11 a.m. Close is going to go with this. Are we going to tag 25 or not? Come on, let's go, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Ah, don't do this. We need this drop. We need this. I mean, not so much, but is this really happening? Are we really stopping at this point? Can't wait for the new hour. How much time do we have? 1 minute and 44 seconds. Oh my god. Look at this. Almost down there. Almost. Almost. Let's go, baby. We need to go below 25. There's no other way around it. I mean, the moral victory is still mine because the low of this was actually not. Okay. I thought it was 25.75. What the heck is going on with you, NQ? We need to go for that demand zone / order block or whatever you want to call it. She's teasing me. Oh yeah. Just a little bit more. Just push it. Just a little bit more. Don't worry, I'm not gonna do that on my funded TV. Maybe if they see this, they never want me again there. Anyway, just push it, baby. Let's go. Just a little bit more. Down. Just go down there. Yeah. Just touch it. A little bit down. No. Yeah, that's it. A little bit more. Okay. No. Now we need that. I mean, I need that. Well, here we are. We're stuck. How am I not surprised that NQ is doing this trick again? Really? Well, anyway, I had the chance here, and look at that. It's just not going. I don't know. I don't know. We have the new hour here. We're bouncing back off. I mean, yeah, I was expecting a bit of a bounce, but I really was hoping that we can go down for that 25 level. It was close. It was close. We tried. Well, you know. Can't have it all. Are we very short term? Well, I wanted to see this order block. Let me show you. Down there at 422, if you go to the 15-minute chart, there's a demand zone here with these bearish candles on the 15-minute chart and also on the 5-minute as well. So I thought that, yeah, we might go down there. And we also have a 15-minute, it's a small one, a tiny one, but we do have a small fair value gap down there. And I was really just hoping that, yeah, that's it. We should be reaching down below 25. So safe exit should be okay with 25. Now, we're not going there now. At least, I mean, not yet. So, big 1 hour imbalance below. I mean, yeah, we have. We do have a beautiful one down there. That's true. That is definitely true. No, it's not looking good, man. Hey, Shenanigan, what's up? Yeah, I'm gonna stream tomorrow, London. Yes, yes, I will. Yes, I will be streaming tomorrow. Well, I think that's it for my position. We're bouncing back up there. We were so close to that 25, 26.50, and my stop is gonna get hit real soon. Almost out from the position. What a bounce. I think there should be no stopping until 500 if this one is... yeah, it should be shifting above 64. It is what it is. It is what it is. So let's see how far we can go. I think we can assume that we're going for that 504. I'm still in the trade almost. That's it. I'm out. Stop has been hit. So yeah, gotta go a little bit slower here. But we were expecting the bounce, actually. And how far can this one go? To the 86, I think. There's a 15-minute fair value gap at 86 up there. Yeah, watching paint dry, but I wasn't expecting. I was expecting the move earlier to go down into the order block. It's not happening yet, so I think it is what it is. Where is the 86? I think I have it somewhere. Yeah. Nothing else where we can go from here. Now, it can also be like it's just picking up liquidity here and gonna take the elevator down, or it's just on its way up there to the 15-minute fair value gap. At 86, let me see, 86.75 on the mini. Oh yeah, that's when it happens. All right. So it took some highs. If this would invert this gap, then maybe that would be a okay. Okay, let's see. What's gonna be the reaction here? Targeting 610. Yeah, I mean, not bad, but somehow I feel like that even if it picks up liquidity from this gap, then I mean, we're still not finished with that 422, or at least below 25. This one could be a tricky one. So if we see an inversion here, let me just put this right there. Okay, you see? This is why I said it could be a tricky one. If we see this trade below, then we might go, okay, we might go for that. Who knows? Anyway, guys, thank you so much. I think I'm gonna call it here because I have to be ready for the other stream, and I gotta make sure that I have everything in order for the technical side of everything. And so what I want to say, thank you for watching, thank you for being here on the stream. It was an interesting session, very slow. Maybe the PM session is going to be better. I'm going to be at MyFunded TV, at MyFundedFutures, in about 20 minutes or so, 20 minutes. So tomorrow, London session. See you on the other side, yeah. Tomorrow, London session, I'll be on schedule. So if you would like to support the stream, please don't forget to use the code TomSabo for all these prop firms to get you the best available discount. Some good deals are still going on. I would greatly, highly appreciate if you use it to support the channel. Thank you. So I'm signing off, and see you guys on the other side at MyFunded TV. All right. God bless you all. Cheers.